you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora and we are working on the Del Sol. I'm installing my boost control solenoid so that way I can control the boost that's being put into this thing. So I'm really excited about that. After we get it installed, we're going to go drive it around and tune it. So let's go ahead and get to work. What is up, guys? I'm just out here checking out the Del Sol, and I noticed that my wastegate is super loose, and not only just the bolt, but like everything up here. I mean, it's loose all kinds of places. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off and go through it and just make sure it's good. I don't know if it busted loose whenever we ran the 12/8 at the track last time or what. And we're also gonna install the boost control solenoid. And then I will go ahead and get everything put back on, tighten back up, and we'll take it out and see what it can do. Does that sound good?
So we need to take the whole thing off and take this off and inspect in there before we put it back on.
Okay.
So we gotta completely pull it off.
Is the garage unlocked?
Now the garage is locked. Let me grab my welding gloves.
Yeah.
Not super hot, but it is a little warm.
Okay.
So it's all black around there. It's been leaking. Looks like it's been leaking around here too.
Yeah.
Definitely need to pull it apart.
We went ahead and got the wastegate installed, and it is nice and tight like it should be. We discovered that my fire ring is too short, and that was causing the clamp not to be able to tighten all the way. So I went ahead and stole the fire ring off of Jake's wastegate for now, from the hatch, because that car, we haven't been able to drive it for a little while because we're working on modifying the gas tank in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and borrow his for a little while. Let's go show them what we're doing to the yard. You ready? Let's go this way. We are purchasing a carport, but our ground is not level. So we're gonna go ahead and get it leveled out and set up, because they should be calling anytime to give us an installation date. I'm stuck in vacation mode. We just got back from New Mexico not too long ago. We went to visit Jake's dad. We hanging out outside? Yeah. This chicken thinks he's a dog. It's a good boy. I'm gonna take you guys to New Mexico real quick.
Whoa, look, you can see all the black up there from all the fires they burned. Look at their holes.
Let's go inside again.
Yup, they made that wall. They took mud and rocks and...
This is the closest I ever saw a statue before.
Alright. Feels nice and cool. It's like having the air conditioning on. Oh yeah, I bet it'd heat up easy. Get some warmth on the rocks and then I bet they'd stay nice and warm. You put carpet on the floor of your cave. Ooh, it keeps going.
I'm glad I'm not scared of heights.
Don't run, bud.
I wonder if this was the jet. Can I see? Can I see?
Yeah, you can see where they put timbers in right there to support it. Yeah, I don't know about in Oklahoma, but it could be.
Look at that one big room, Daddy.
Oh. Yep, it looks like it's all collapsed. Can't go up in there.
Or they would let you go up in there.
Yep.
How did it collapse? Did it catch on fire?
No, rock doesn't catch on fire like that.
Right on, Grandpa.
Smile.
I'm kind of a mountain man, too.
Yeah, we're all mountain men right now, huh?
Yeah.
Down there's where we came walking in. We walked in way down there.
We're being real mountain men right now.
Yeah, we're walking on the side of a mountain. You're like a little billy goat.
Yeah. I'm sure billy goats could get stuck over there.
Yeah, look, there's the trail down there that we walked in on.
It's been a late night, but we're getting ready to test the boost control solenoid. So hopefully all the hard work has paid off. Yeah. Sounds like it's working to me. Yep, that sounds a lot better. Alrighty, the boost control solenoid seems to be working. And we set the boost cut to 15 pounds. The car's making 10 pounds right now, and we're hoping to get a few extra out of it. But we topped it off at 15 because we don't want anything blowing up. But I mean, I obviously want to make more boost, but I just want to remind you guys that this is a complete stock engine. Stock rods, stock everything. So, too much power and this thing's gonna go bye-bye. But we're just trying to have some fun, make a little bit of power, and watch this thing rip. Let's go ahead and take it out. What's up, y'all? We're at RS, gassing up real quick, and then we're gonna be driving the Del Sol. I'm really excited to test out the boost control solenoid. It's actually our anniversary tonight, so we're having a good night. Let me go ahead and get the gas cap back on, and then we'll hit the road. So much fun last night. I don't know if Jake's gonna let me drive again, but we had a blast. He thought I was just gonna do a second gear pull, and I ended up going through third and fourth, so caught him off guard a little bit, but we had a blast and I had a great anniversary. But the car ended up making 14.8 pounds of boost, which is really good, and everything's running great, so I couldn't be more happy. I'm ready to take it back to the track and see if we can beat our 12.8. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, guys. I don't want you to miss out on any of the cool content coming up. And I will catch you in the next video.